chicken sauce piquant filled to the rim of my big Magnolite pot. Let me show you how I made that. Now, I was feeding a lot of people, but I'm going to break it down for a smaller pot for you. You start by dicing up your onions, green onions, celery, and garlic with some oil in your pot heating up. Now you want to get all that in your pot and cook it down till it's nice and tender. Then we're going to go ahead and take it out so that we can start the roux. Now we're going to add our oil to the pot and then the flour. And now we start the process of making that roux, y'all. Now I like to go nice and slow. Those little brown pieces is not burnt roux, y'all. It's little pieces of onion that were left over. And once I get it to the color that I'm looking for, we're going to go ahead and add some tomato sauce in. Now you have to be very careful adding anything to a hot roux, as you can tell. But you just keep mixing and scraping the bottom so it doesn't burn. And it still does darken a little bit even after you add the tomato sauce. Now once you have it all mixed together, you're going to go ahead and add your vegetables back in. I forgot to get a video, but I do add a couple of cans of diced tomatoes here, and then some chicken broth. From here, we're going to lower the heat, and I'm going to cover this and let it simmer for 1 whole hour. Once that hour is up, we'll add the rest of the ingredients for the sauce. Now we're going to add lemon juice and lemon zest, Worcestershire sauce, cans of mushroom, some sugar, and salt and pepper. Don't forget the cayenne pepper because we need it spicy, and your favorite Cajun seasoning. Mix that together real good and then add your bay leaves in. Don't forget to stay hydrated. I'm just kidding. I don't drink beer. But we will add it to our sauce. Now once you've made this sauce, you could add any type of meat that you like. I just happen to go with chicken today. Now we're going to cover it and it's going to cook for another hour. Be sure to stir it every once in a while. While that's cooking, you would brown any type of meat that you're looking to put in it, but this time I went simple with the rotisserie chicken. And now you add your meat to the pot and any drippings if you did brown your meat before. And now you'll cook this uncovered for another hour. Talk about some good eating, y'all. You would serve this over rice, probably with some potato salad on the side. If you give this a try, let me know how it comes out.